Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno 12 Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings, and in here scroll all the way down to system and update, and backup and reset phone, and then erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it. It will bring up pop-up letting you know that permanently clearing, asking if you want to permanently clear all data. Your phone will be restored to factory settings. So all the photos, videos, music, documents, anything like that you keep on your phone, along with applications and all that stuff, will be removed from it. Now, if one of those sparked some kind of, bulb in your head, making you remember that you don't want to get rid of maybe music or photos, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done the backup, or you just simply don't want to, you can select erase data and then clear, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.